Hi Louisville, Sergei here with Roof It Right. Those of you who have big trees around your homes, you know that your gutters accumulates all the debris if you don't have a screen protection. And then what happens, like see over the time that debris, because it stays there, it does affect on how the sealer that holds two pieces together perform. And because it's the sealer constantly staying wet, after a while when expansion and contraction works on aluminum, the sealer actually got loose. So time to time you need to maintain your gutters, and of course it's a very good idea to have gutter screens. And for years and years we use only micro mesh gutter screens. Whenever customers insist on doing something else, it still gives them a problem. So I just want to share with you that valuable points. If you have more questions, always feel easy to contact Roof It Right. One of us can explain why gutters need to be maintained and why micro mesh gutter screens is a good option to protect the gutters.